Hello friends! Are you ready for a wild adventure? Today we're going to meet amazing reptiles from A to Z. A. A is for alligator. B. B is for boa constrictor. C. C is for cobra. D. D is for desert tortoise. E is for eyelash viper. F. F is for frilled lizard. G. G is for gecko. H. H is for horned lizard. I is for iguana. J. J is for Japanese rat snake. K. K is for king snake. L. L is for lace monitor. M. M is for monitor lizard. N. N is for Nile crocodile. O is for ornate box turtle. P. P is for python. Q. Q is for Queensland lungfish. R. R is for rattlesnake. S. S is for skink. T. T is for turtle. U. U is for Uromastyx. V. V is for vine snake. W. W is for western hognose snake. X is for Xanthusia. Y is for yellow anaconda. Z is for zebra Tegu. Thank you for watching. Hope you had fun learning A to Z reptiles. See you next time. Bye bye friends.